Here we have been working problems on consumer price index or family budget method from last 2 or 3 sessions. In this session also we will be solving problems on such method of consumer price index or family budget method. Now the formula for calculating indices or index numbers according to family budget method is that P01 price index number for the current year is equal to sigma PW by sigma W, or sigma PV by sigma V, or sigma IW divided by sigma W. So here P01 is equal to price index number for the current year, and where P stands for price relatives, that can be calculated as P1 by P0 into 100, current year price divided by base year price multiplied by 100, and then W is equal to weights, or V can also be represented as the weights. So therefore these three formulae which are equal to calculate indices or index numbers according to family budget method. Now value V or W is equal to value or weights, or P0 Q0. Therefore P01 is equal to sigma PW by sigma W, or sigma PV by sigma V, or sigma IW by sigma W. Now take the first problem. Construct the cost of living index number by using family budget method for the year 1975 with 1970 as base year from the following data. So here different items are given. Price per unit base year 1970 and current year 1975, and quantity 1970. This is what base year quantity. So in this problem we have to construct a cost of living index number by using family budget method for the current year 1975, and year base year price P0, and current year price P1, and base year quantity Q0 are given. And with the given data we have to calculate or construct the cost of living index number. And cost of consumer price index can be calculated by using family budget method by applying an equation. P01 is equal to sigma PW by sigma W, or sigma PV by sigma V, or sigma IW by sigma W. So here first we have to prepare a table for calculating the values of W means weights, and P means price relatives, and the product of P and W. So here in the first column items are to be written here, and base year price P0 6 2 4 10 8, and current year price P1 is equal to 10 2 6 12, and 12 are given, and base year quantity 50 100 60 30 and 40 are given. So therefore with the help of these data, so we can calculate W is equal to weights is equal to P0 Q0. So P0 Q0 is equal to W. So P0 into Q0 is equal to P0 Q0. Therefore 6 into 50 300, 2 into 100 200, 4 into 60 240, 10 into 30 300, and 8 into 40 320. Therefore then we have to calculate P. P means price relatives, that can be known as P1 by P0 into 100. Current year price divided by base year price. 10 by 6 into 100 is equal to 166.67. 2 by 2 into 100 is equal to 100. 6 by 4 into 100 is equal to 150. 12 by 10 is equal 10 into 100 is equal to 120, and 12 by 8 into 100 is equal to 150. Then find the product of P and W. PW 3 and 300 into 166.67 is equal to 50,001. 200 into 100 20,000. 240 into 150 36,000. 300 into 120 36,000. And similarly 320 into 150 48,000. Now the sum of PW, sigma PW is equal to 19,001, and sigma W is equal to 1,360. So by substituting these values in the formula, P01 is equal to sigma PW by sigma W is equal to 19,001 by 1,360 is equal to 139.7066. So this is what uh, the price index number according to the family budget method. And this means that prices increased by 39.71% in the year 1975 compared to that of 1970 for the commodities which are included in the index. Now take second problem. An inquiry into the budgets of the middle class families in Bangalore city gave the following information. And the different the expenses made on several items are given. Expenses on food 40%, rent 10%, clothing 15%, fuel 10%, and miscellaneous 25%. This is what the weights. So the given percentage of expenditures are to be treated as the weights. And the base year price 300, 140 and 120 are given. Base year price means P0, and current year price P1 is equal to 500, 200, 300, 80 and 220. So therefore what changes in the cost of living index for 1983 has taken place as compared to 1982. This is to be calculated by calculating the price index number according to family budget method. So here the expenses percentage of expenses are to be treated as the weights. And here base year price and current year price are given. So with the help of that we can calculate P price relatives. P is equal to P1 by P0 into 100. So therefore first column of items ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, and second column W means weights 40, 10, 15, 10, 25, and P0 base year price 300, 100, 140, 120, and current year price 500, 200, 380, and 220 are given. So therefore P is equal to price relatives P1 by P0 into 100. 500 by 300 is equal to 166.67. 200 by 100 into 100 is equal to 200. 300 by 100 into 100 300. 80 by 40 into 100 is equal to 200. Then 220 by 120 into 100 is equal to 183.33. Now take P into W is equal to PW. 166.67 into 40 is equal to 6,666.67. 200 into 10 2,000. 300 into 15 4,500. 200 into 10 2,000. 183.33 into 25 4,583.25. Therefore, sigma PWO is equal to 32,500 and sigma WO is equal to 100. Now, substituting the values of sigma PWO and sigma WO in the formula, PW and WO, P01 price index number for the current year, 9 means sigma PWO 32, sigma PWO 32,500. This is what 19,749.92. This is not the value of PWO. Here we have to take 32,500, the value of PWO. Sigma PWO is equal to 32,500 divided by sigma W 100 is equal to equals 325, 325, 325. So here the consumer price index number for the current year is increased by 3 means 225. 325 minus 100 is equal to 225. So here sigma PWO, so here 6,000, 10,000, 19,000. So here sigma PW, here when we take the value of PW 19,749 by 0.92 and divided by 100 is equal to 197.4992. So then we can conclude that consumer price index number had been increased by 97.499, means 0.50 uh, percent in the current year when compared to the base year. So consumer price index number for the current year is increased by 97.4992. Now take the third problem. From the following data, calculate consumer price index number by using family budget method for the year 2020 with 2018 as the base year. So here we have to calculate or construct consumer price index number according to family budget method for the year 2020 as the base year 2018. And here the commodities are given and quantity consumed in 2018 means base year 2020, current year 2018 base year. So base year quantity 2018 base year quantity and base year price 2018 as well as current year price for 2020 are given. Q0 is equal to 100, 25, 20, 10, 20, 25 and 30 are given, and base year price 8, 6, 5, 48, 15 and 9, and current year price 12, 7.50, 5.25, 60, 16.50 and 27 are given. So with this the given data we have to construct the index number or indices according to family budget method by using family budget method. And here Q0, P0 and P1, the given data are to be written in the first three columns, and then in the next fourth column we can calculate W, means weights. W stands for weights that includes P0Q0. So P0Q0 W is equal to P0Q0 100 into 8 800, 25 into 6 150, 10 into 5 50, 20 into 48 960, 25 into 15 375, and 30 into 9 270. Then P is equal to price relatives P1 by P0 into 100, 12 by 8 150, 7.50 by 6 125, 5.25 by 5 into 100 105, 60 by 48 into 100 125, 16.50 by 15 into 100 110, and 27 by 9 into 100 300. So then calculate P into W is equal to PW. So in the last column, 800 into 150, 1,20,000, 125 into 150, 18,750, 105 into 50, 5,250, 125 into 960, 1,20,000, 110 into 375, 41,250, 300 into 270, 81,000. Therefore, sigma PWO is equal to 3,86,250. Sigma WO is equal to 2,605. Therefore, consumer price index number or indices can be calculated using an equation CPI, Consumer Price Index, is equal to sigma PWO by sigma W. Sigma PWO 3,86,250 by sigma W 2,605 is equal to 148.2726. This is what consumer uh, price index or the number, consumer price indices or index number according to the family budget method is equal to 148.2726. So it means that in 2020 the prices increased by 48.2726% compared to 2018 as the base year. So therefore we can say that the prices of all the commodities are increased by 48.2726% in the current year, for the current year when we compare to the base year. So therefore CPI is equal to consumer price index is equal to 118.2726. This is what the method of calculating or constructing index number according to consumer price index or the family budget method.